I'm frustrated at reviewing generic tender responses that read like a company brochure. Some of the tenderers haven't even referenced the contract they are bidding to win. As evaluators, we look for tenderers' experience and capability, but also how they will apply this to successfully deliver the contract.
Don't let your response be generic like this. Each client and each tender has unique requirements that you need to address in your answers. The requirements are in the tender document, usually in the specification, sometimes called the scope of work. The requirements provide the details as to how the successful tenderer is to deliver the goods or services once the contract is awarded. It pays to read the specification and identify which requirements, if any, are relevant to your question. Also, read the contract to find out if there are any further relevant requirements contained within here. A winning tender response needs to communicate how you will meet and hopefully exceed the tender requirements over the term of the contract. This way, your response is focused on meeting the client's needs and is not all about you.